Hi, I'm Dr. Morgan Plemons, and this is Danielle Treadway, our head technician over at the Animal Hospital of Waynesville. Today we're going to show you how we, as a cat-friendly practice, do a routine exam on a cat.
I'm going to take Aspen out of the carrier here. This is my kitty who is going to show us this for us. And we always have a towel covering the cage that's sprayed with Feline. I will remove this. And this kind of carrier is great because it's easy to get them out of. We've learned that this is the least stressful way to get a cat out of a carrier is just to be able to take the top off of it. Hey, buddy. We always want to get a weight.
Okay. 12 pounds. Okay, Aspen, you're a big boy. So a cat-friendly practice likes to do everything we can to reduce stress for our feline patients. So we start at the back end. And very kind of gently, we'll start our exam. We'll feel the abdomen and palpate abdominal organs. His kidneys feel great. He's in good body condition. And Danielle's kind of stroking his head and making him feel comfortable. Nice soft bladder. Good range of motion in his joints. A lot of kitty cats have arthritis, like greater than 80% of cats over 8 years of age. And they don't always tell you that they're hurting, so it's really good to make sure you check their range of motion. Feels great there. I'm going to take a good listen to Aspen's heart. Heart and lungs sound great. Now Aspen's an indoor-only kitty, right?
Yes.
And he's on Revolution for heartworm prevention?
He is every month.
That's wonderful. Because mosquitoes can come indoors.
Okay, turn you around.
So now we save the facial exam for very last because kitties don't like to have bright lights in their faces. So we're going to check out the ears first. It's a nice clean ear. Good boy, Aspen. It's really important to try and get a good oral exam on your kitty. And Aspen doesn't have very many teeth. He does have some dental tartar on these teeth, Danielle. Oh. Yeah. And whenever Aspen's comfortable in his cage, we'll talk about what we can do for his dental disease. Beautiful eyes, Aspen. Lenses are nice and clear. He looks great, Danielle. Do we need any preventatives today?
We're good.
Okay, all right. So this concludes our feline exam today.